Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Growth Stock Research. As we have shown in our previous videos, 6 well-known automakers approached Lucid and inquired about Lucid's technology. We made the argument that Jaguar and BMW could be among those 6 companies as they currently don't have the necessary technology, that is range, which justifies their premium image. In this video, we would like to focus on new clues concerning a potential partnership as more information is now available. This video is structured in the following way. Number 1. Lucid's growth strategy based on the S4 filings. Number 2. Partnership with a mass manufacturer. Number 3. Rawlinson's ideal candidates, Toyota, Hyundai, and Honda. We went through the recent S4 filing and it confirmed our hypothesis from the last video. The idea of Lucid partnering with another established car company is not just an interesting idea, but an integral part of Lucid's growth strategy. We found multiple references in the S4 filing, and to quote, Lucid is actively engaged in supplying all racing teams in the premier EV racing series with Lucid battery packs and software. Lucid expects to expand this technology division to supply world-class technology beyond the world of racing to help accelerate the adoption of EVs. You can also hear Rawlinson emphasizing this point as a third pillar of Lucid's 3-pillar strategy.
We think about the long-term strategy of this company.
Yeah, well, first of all, I think it's important we approach this with a healthy dose of humility. Until we've got Lucid Air into production, we really haven't achieved a thing. But I do think we need to have a vision and a strategy. And I see 3 prongs as I've outlined in the video. First is our cars. We're going to have a beguiling range of cars. We have a 10-year plan. We have a multi-platform plan to really take electrification to a whole new level. I promised when I came here we'd take it to another level. I believe this is the first manifestation of that. And we're going to see progressively, relentlessly, we'll keep that position of the highest technology in our products. So that's the car products. But also we have this tech division, our technology division. And a great example is what we're doing in the world of World Championship Motorsport. Really turned that on its head with our technology. We're going to do the same with our energy storage because of its sheer economy of scale and mass producibility. That's what we've really cracked. I want to do huge things with solar and renewables. And I see that division of the company, frankly, being as big as our cars over the next 6 years. And then the third thing, which is quite exciting, because our technology is so miniaturized and because of its efficiency, that drives down cost. And it's further driven and amplified that cost down by the manufacturability. I can see our product in other manufacturers' cars because I think that time is of the essence. So those are the 3 pillars: our cars, our tech in other manufacturers' cars.
A recent Guardian article emphasized that he hopes to see Lucid's technology being used by a mass manufacturer, which in turn would allow Lucid's technology to be used in affordable cars already in 4 years' time. Affordable car would mean maybe $25,000 US, an EV car price that even Tesla hasn't achieved yet. So while we still think that the premium brands Jaguar and BMW may have approached Lucid since their technology is far behind Tesla's, it seems that for Lucid the priority would be to partner up with a mass manufacturer, which is known for affordable cars. This could also explain why current partnership talks haven't yielded any results thus far, and it's still speculative according to Rawlinson. The interests simply may not have aligned yet. So the question is, which companies would be an ideal partner for Lucid? According to Rawlinson, it's Toyota, Hyundai, and Honda, which he specifically named in the interview. In particular, Toyota would be a likely candidate when taking into account the most recent news. First of all, Toyota didn't fulfill the media expectations by presenting a new EV last month, and instead simply showed the new design of the Aygo, and it's not even clear on how the Aygo will be powered. It's also noteworthy that Toyota is trying to slow down overall EV adoption in the United States. This might have something to do with Toyota's bet on hydrogen-powered vehicles, which it continues to pursue, and by doing so is likely to fall behind in its pure EV cars aspirations. And if their EV platform is not competitive, a partnership with an EV player seems logical. This all fits with another puzzle piece which was recently revealed. Apparently, Tesla and Toyota are in partnership talks. They have already been partners in the past, and this time they could focus on producing a low-cost EV. Toyota would provide the vehicle platform, whereas Tesla would provide its electronic powertrain and likely license its software. So, how does Lucid and Rawlinson tie into this news? We believe that Rawlinson is well aware of these partnership talks between Tesla and Toyota to develop a low-cost EV, and with publicly naming Toyota as an ideal partner for Lucid, he might have signaled to them that they should also consider Lucid and take a look at their technology. Now, while this is still speculative, we might find out more in April when Toyota presents its fully electric mid-size SUV at the Shanghai Motor Show. In particular, we will be interested in its specifications and whether Toyota is competitive in the EV space. As for Honda and Hyundai, there's no noteworthy news with respect to their EV strategies in the last week since our video. Honda seems to be already committed with GM as a partner to use its Ultium platform, whereas Hyundai developed its own EV platform. And at first, Hyundai's EV platform seems to be competitive, reaching over 300 miles. But we need to point out that Hyundai based their estimate on the European-based WLTP range and not the more conservative American-based EPA range rating, which Tesla and Lucid use as a benchmark indicator. You might be thinking that these range ratings probably deliver very similar results, but it's not the case. We were surprised that almost nobody's talking about these large differences and decided to make a standalone video about this. A link to the video is in the top right corner for your reference. If you are an EV shareholder or thinking about buying an EV, we believe that you should be aware of these differences. And after watching our EPA versus WLTP video, you might also think that Hyundai's EV platform reaching over 300 miles might not be as impressive as it sounds, even for affordable Hyundai EVs, which in turn would make partnership talks between Lucid and Hyundai more realistic. What do you think? Would you like Toyota or Hyundai as Lucid partners so that Lucid's technology would take part in producing an affordable $25,000 car? Or do you prefer Lucid partnering with a premium brand such as BMW or Jaguar? We will reply to every single comment and are planning to make further videos on Lucid. By the way, if you like a research approach with a long-term focus and analysis of a company, please consider sharing this video to other Lucid investors. Vielen Dank.